So as you can see, there are a bunch of trails, and I am going to take my drone, my DJI Avata 2, which is in this bag right here, and we're going to go down these trails. And I'm looking at this map and I'm thinking I'm probably going to be able to get all the way down to here and loop back and then just kind of keep doing that. But we will see. This is the adventure. Come along, join me. All right, so let me give you a quick review of the trails here. First of all, they look pretty nice. Second of all, I'm really glad that Rome has this. Third of all, it is noisy. This is a very busy thoroughfare back here. So if you want a quiet trail, this isn't going to be your trail. But if you just want to be in nature while you walk and enjoy nature, and I don't know, maybe you put on your AirPods or whatever and block out the traffic. Some people like to do that. But regardless of what you do out here, it is a great place to come. Like this lady behind me is walking her dog, and you know, if you're an FPV pilot, the picnic tables are here, and it's great to have a place to set your equipment down like I have right here. I'm grateful for that, and I'm grateful that I got to fly around this place because it's a fun place to practice for FPV. There's usually not that many people out here. This is the first person I've seen. I've been out here like 45 minutes maybe, and the other times I've been out here, there's never anybody out here either. So it's a good place to come. There's a lot of cool stuff right here at the GE trails, and I hope you will enjoy this footage of me just kind of flying around the area, practicing and honing my skills as an FPV pilot. Find places like this where you are, and you can practice your skills around these kind of places and not bother a single soul. Have a good day, and we'll look at you and talk to you in the next video.